judgment by the Supreme Court has become the talking point for the entire nation. The Supreme Court ordered the release of A G Perarivalan, one of the life convicts in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. The Supreme Court bench cited the extraordinary powers and a 31-year-long legal battle by Perarivalan and his family has come to an end. But what is the full story? How was Perarivalan related to the assassination of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi? And in what context has he been released after 31 years? On May 21, 1991, Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated in a rally in Tamil Nadu's Sri Perumbudur. A woman named Nadu triggered a belt bomb in the rally, killing the Prime Minister and 15 others. On the very next day, a CBCID team was constituted to investigate the case, but 2 days later, it was handed to the Special Investigation Team of CBI. On June 11, 1991, CBI arrested a 19-year-old teenager, A G Perarivalan, under the Terrorism and Disruptive Activities Act, or TADA. SIT claimed that he was the one who bought the two 9-volt batteries used in the belt bomb to kill the Prime Minister. The team stated that Perarivalan handed the batteries to LTT chief Sivarasan, who was the mastermind of the operation. Sivarasan was never caught by police, but he died by suicide along with 6 others. A year later, SIT charge-sheeted 41 accused in the case, including 12 dead and 3 absconding. In 1998, after a prolonged trial, the TADA court gave a death sentence to Perarivalan and 25 others for their involvement in the case, including Nalini and Perarivalan. Nalini is one of the convicts and the wife of the LTT operative V. Sriharan alias Murugan, who was also booked under TADA. On May 11, 1999, the Supreme Court freed 19 convicts but upheld the death sentence of 4, including Murugan, Santhan, Perarivalan and Nalini. In April 2000, Nalini's death penalty was commuted to life imprisonment by the then Tamil Nadu governor, based on a recommendation of the state cabinet and a public appeal made by Sonia Gandhi. In 2001, 3 convicts including Santhan, Murugan and Perarivalan sent mercy pleas to the President of India. The case became the talking point of the entire nation again when Rajiv Gandhi's daughter Priyanka Gandhi met Nalini in jail in 2008. After the meeting, Priyanka in an interview said she was not angry with the killers anymore. In 2011, then President Pratibha Patil rejected the mercy pleas of the assassinations. In the very same year in August, the Madras High Court stayed the execution orders of 3 death convicts who were to be hanged on September 9th. In August, a resolution was also passed by the then Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha seeking commutation of the death sentence. Then in November 2013, the biggest event of the case happened where former CBI officer SP V. Thiagarajan said that he altered Perarivalan's confession during the investigation in TADA custody decades ago. Thiagarajan stated that Perarivalan never said he knew the battery he bought would be used to make the bomb. Then in 2014, the Supreme Court reduced Perarivalan and 2 others' death sentences to life imprisonment on account of their mercy petitions. Perarivalan also submitted a mercy petition to the Tamil Nadu governor in 2015, seeking release under Article 161. He moved to the Supreme Court after getting no reply from the governor. 2 years later, the AIADMK-led Tamil Nadu government granted parole to Perarivalan for 30 days. This was the first parole since his arrest in 1991. In 2018, the Tamil Nadu cabinet recommended the release of all the 7 convicts in the case under Article 171. On March 9, 2022, something big happened again in the case, and this time Perarivalan was granted bail by the Supreme Court. On May 11 this year, the Apex Court concluded the hearing in the case. Then finally, on May 18th, the Supreme Court offered the release of Perarivalan after 31 years. The court had taken its decision based on the relevant consideration and in the exercise of Article 142. Today, Perarivalan walks as a free man and his mother has emerged as a hero for his supporters.